Quick promise. By the end of this, topic 3.3, gender and sexual orientation, is locked. The key here is precise vocabulary the exam tests carefully. Stick around, because there's a common mix-up near the end that quietly costs students easy points. Don't be one of them. Start with the distinction the exam cares most about. Sex is biological, your chromosomes, anatomy, and hormones. Gender is the psychological and social side, your sense of identity and the roles your culture attaches to it. Sex is assigned by biology. Gender is how you experience and express it. Don't blur the two. A few terms. Gender identity is your internal sense of your own gender. Gender roles are the behaviors a culture expects from each gender, and they vary across cultures and over time. Gender typing is how strongly someone adopts a traditional gender role. These are largely learned and cultural, not fixed by biology alone. How do kids learn gender? Two theories. Social learning theory says they learn by observation and reinforcement, copying models and getting rewarded for gender-typed behavior. Gender schema theory adds a cognitive layer. Kids build mental frameworks for what their gender does, then filter the world through them. Both work together. Gender isn't strictly either-or. Androgyny describes blending both traditionally masculine and feminine traits. Gender expression, how you present through clothing, behavior, and style, exists on a spectrum and can differ from both sex and identity. The exam wants you to treat these as distinct, separable dimensions. Sexual orientation is an enduring attraction toward others, romantically or sexually. It runs along a spectrum, from exclusively one sex to another to both. Crucially, orientation is about who you're attracted to, completely separate from gender identity, which is who you are. Different questions, different answers. Here's the mix-up I promised. Sexual orientation is not a choice and not simply learned. Research points to biological influences, genetics, and prenatal hormone exposure, with no evidence it's caused by parenting or experience alone. The exam wants you to know orientation has strong biological roots and isn't chosen. Get that right. The honest summary the exam rewards. Gender and orientation both emerge from a biopsychosocial mix. Biology, psychology, and social context interacting. Not pure nature, not pure nurture. Use that interaction as framing, just like everywhere else in this course, and you won't pick a wrong single cause answer. Lock it in. Sex is biological. Gender is psychological and social. Gender identity is who you are. Sexual orientation is who you're attracted to. Two different things. And orientation has strong biological roots. It's not a choice. Nail those distinctions, and 3.3 is yours. And that's 3.3 locked. But watching isn't remembering. So, go drill it. AimFive hits this exact topic with AP-style questions and grades your essays and FRQs for free, no paywall, while other prep tools charge for it. Tap the link, subscribe to join the skulk, and go get your 5. Fox out. Next up, 3.4, cognitive development.